The success in sealing a tile roof lies in the waterproofing system applied. The tile roof waterproofing system from SealPro was designed to be durable yet flexible and can handle the normal movement and temperature fluctuations in South Africa. Getting started. Step 1. Inspect the roof. Remove cement that is cracked and brittle on the ridgeline and damaged sections. Remove any loose cement, rake open cracks and replace broken tiles. Step 2. Filling. Fill raked and cracked sections with DampEnd. Bigger openings and repairs can be fixed with FibreCreat. Clean away excess cement with a builder's sponge and shape it to match tile levels. Step 3. Priming. Prime the entire area to be waterproofed with Penetrar. Penetrar will penetrate the porous concrete, bind any loose particles or dust, seal it and enhance the adhesion for the membrane to follow. Step 4. Membrane. Strengthen fixed sections, overlaps, joints and ridge lines with StretchSeal membrane. The membrane will help to absorb movement and hairline cracks that may appear. Embed the StretchSeal membrane using Repello. Repello is an adhesion promoter admixture with excellent adhesion properties that will completely penetrate the membrane and bind it to the substrate. Step 5. Waterproofing. Apply 3 layers of HydroSeal HF on the refurbished and reinforced membrane sections before applying the final coat of color-coded waterproofing to match the tile color. HydroSeal HF is an acrylic high-performance universal waterproofing membrane, specifically developed for long-term protection of all types of surfaces. Fix and seal the problem areas on your tile roof. The tiled roof waterproofing system from SealPro was designed to be durable, long-lasting, low in maintenance and UV resistant. Don't delay. Waterproof your tile roof with SealPro today.